Today, we're taking a look at Kind Laundry, these super compact, individually portioned laundry detergent replacement sheets allow you to make laundry cleaner, less wasteful, and super easy. A single sheet will do exactly the same as a concentrated detergent without any toxic chemicals, and it's completely plant-based. It completely breaks down, leaving nothing over. Because of that, Kind Laundry sheets are super travel-friendly. Just throw them in your bag. There's no liquid, no mess, no fuss. There's a bunch of really nice, fresh scents available, and they also have an all-natural stain removal product for those tough-to-get-out stains that don't quite come clean in the wash. Eco-friendly, skin-friendly, Kind Laundry is a new way of thinking about laundry detergent. You'll be glad you made the switch. It'll be better for you, better for your clothes, and better for the environment. Check them out at the link down in the description.